The international MBA provided a lot of benefits to me and value to me because I didn't study business in undergrad. I studied communications and history. Once I got into the MBA program, it allowed me to build a certain acumen and connections to get into an industry that's hard to get into. It also had a few very non-traditional classes, more like workshops, and you're acting and role-playing in a position of a business. And so those were very unique to the International MBA program. I had many memorable experiences. I got to travel to China with a few classmates for study abroad. I got to travel to Chicago and New Orleans for different events. The FIU International MBA program really changed my life in the fact that it just afforded me many new opportunities that I wouldn't have had before, not just through having the degree itself, but through the people you meet, surrounding yourself with people, like-minded, motivated individuals. When you surround yourself with people like that, you elevate yourself, and it just opens the world up to you as far as possibilities go.